Now in this class, I will start the linear equation, and in this class I will explain you about the substitution method, elimination method, and the cross multiplication method, and all these are the parts of simultaneous linear equations in two variable. So I will discuss first what is the cross multiplication method. So in this method, suppose the equation is like this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So you must remember that any equation, first of all you have to bring any equation in this form. That is, you can see that here a1x, that is the terms containing x, y and the constant, all are on the left side of 0. So this must be the form, and then you will apply. So the next is here that the solution will be here in this case, or first write there is a shortcut method in this case. For example, here write b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 and then again b1 b2. So this is how you will write, and then you will get the value of x, y and z. That is, here this will be x, this is y, and this is here 1. So it will be like this. So here x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this is the solution of this equation, and I will give you one example to solve this. So for example, 8x plus 5y, or take the example of 5x minus 2y. Here 5x minus 2y equal to 32, suppose, and 4x minus y equal to 28. So we have to bring this into another form, like this here: 5x minus 2y minus 32 equal to 0, and 4x minus y minus 28 equal to 0. Now here you can see that in this 32 and 28 are brought to this side, that is the left hand side, and now in this side only 0 is there. Now here we can apply this method. So here the coefficients are, that is here this is b1 b2 and c1 c2 a1 a2 here. So first write here that x and b1 b2, that is minus 2 minus 1, and then minus 32 minus 28, then y, write here that b1 b2 c1 c2 a1 a2 5 4, and then again b1 b2 minus 2 minus 1, this is 1 here. Now we will multiply these two, and then this here. So then we have x by this into this, it will be 56, minus this into this, it will be 32, and equal to y by this into this, minus 128, and this into this, it will be minus 28 into 5, 140, and this will be here actually minus, so it will be here plus, and this is equal to 1 by minus 5 and minus 8. So in this way we will write everything, and then here x is equal to what? X by 32, that is when you subtract you will get 4 and 2, and here y by this one, this will be 12, and this will be equal to minus 5 plus 8, that is 3. It will be 1 by 3 here. Now this equal to this, so x is equal to 24 by 3 and y equal to 12 by 3. So x equal to 3 8 24 and y equal to 3 4 12. So the answer is x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. This is the solution of this equation. So this is the cross multiplication method, and you must remember to use how to use this here. So this is how you will use. You must remember that form. Now I will discuss the next, that is the elimination method. I can take this same example and solve this equation by the elimination method here. Now in this elimination method, the meaning of elimination is that we have to eliminate either x or y. So, and how will we eliminate here? You can see the coefficient of y is here -2 and here the coefficient of y is -1. So make the coefficient of y equal or x equal. So here I am making the coefficient of y equal. So to make it equal, here multiply this equation with -1. Okay. No, it is 2 here. When you multiply this with 2, when you multiply, that is 2 here. Multiply this equation with 2 both sides. Then it will be, see here, 5x minus 2y equal to 32. This is the first equation, and this becomes 4 to the 8x minus 2y equal to 56 here. Now here these two are equal, that is the coefficient of y in both equations are same here. Now and the sign of these two are same, so we have to subtract this equation from this equation. So subtract this, then the sign of this equation will change. So minus and here plus and then minus. Now this we will not use this sign, we will use this sign because we are subtracting this equation from this equation, and we are subtracting this equation from this equation, so that we can cancel these two terms. If you add these two, then it will not cancel. So that is, by adding or by subtracting, we have to cancel. So in this particular equation, we have to subtract, so that this will become plus and this will become minus. Now minus 2y plus 2y will be 0. So this will cut here, and 5x minus 8x will be equal to minus 3x, and here 32 minus 56 will be equal to 24 here, and this is minus 24. Now we can find x, that is minus 3x equal to minus 24. Then x equal to minus 24 by minus 3. So this will cut, and then 3 8 is 24. So the value of x is 8. Now put the value of x in any equation. You can say here 1 and this is 2 here. So put x equal to 8 in equation 1. Then 5 into 8 minus 2y equal to 32. Then it will imply 40 minus 2y equal to 32. Then 2y equal to 40 minus 32. Then 2y equal to 8. Then y equal to 4. So here again we got the value of x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. And from the previous, that is from the cross multiplication method also, we got the same value, x equal to 8 and y equal to 4. And by this method also, the value is same. That is, by any method you will get the same answer. So I have taken this equation again. Now I will explain. So I hope you understood this explanation, and in this way we can solve. Then I will take another example. I will take the same equation to solve it by using the substitution method. So see how it is solved by substitution method here. So you can take any equation, suppose from equation 2. Equation 2, you will find y, suppose here, that is 4x equal to 28 plus y, then x equal to 28 plus y by 4. Okay, now here I got x equal to this, then substitute this value of x in equation 1. substitute x from 3 in 1. Then it will be 5 bracket 28 plus y by 4, that is in place of x, and minus 2y equal to 32. Then multiply this 5, that is 140, plus 5y by 4 minus 2y equal to 32. Then next is we will solve this 140 plus 5y minus 8y equal to 32, and by 4 also, and this will be 140 minus 3y equal to 432 is 128. Now 3y is equal to 140 minus 128, then y equal to 3y is equal to 12 here, and this implies y equal to 4. Now we got y equal to 4, and what is x? X is this here, so therefore x equal to 28 plus y, that is 4 by 4, that is 32 by 4, and 4 area 32, that is 8. So again you see that the value of x, that is we got the value of y equal to 4 by solving this expression. Then that is y equal to 4 here. Now you will put this value of y in the expression x equal to 28 plus y by 4, and then we will get the value of x. So here again see that the value of x and the value of y both are the same as we got these two values from the previous two methods, that is the cross multiplication method and the elimination method. So these are the three methods by which you can solve the questions in this chapter, in this exercise. So I hope you understand all these methods, and then you will solve these questions. You will solve these chapters from the book and practice it, and then I will give you worksheet on this, then you will solve that. Thank you.